Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will fix this issue. As you can see, when we walk and try to rotate our player in some other direction, as you can see it is just the handgun which is rotating, as you can see. Okay, so we don't want that. We want the player to rotate with the camera and also on the forward, backward, left and right keys. For this, let's open up the handgun script, and at the top right here inside this rifle things, let's create a public transform by the name of player transform. Now let's scroll down to the player move function. So it is right here. Now right here, instead of this transform, we need to type player transform. Okay, now let's copy that and paste it right here as well instead of transform. Then if we scroll down to the sprint function right here, remove transform and type player transform and right here as well. So once you do that, let's go ahead and save this. Then back in Unity, let's click on handgun, and right here let's drag and drop the player in the player transform. So now the whole player will rotate towards the camera, and also the player will move in the forward, backward, left and right direction. So if we play the game, okay, there it is. Now as you can see, the player is moving forward and now backward. Now the player can move to the left and to the right side, and also if we rotate the camera, as you can see, now the player is moving and also the handgun is now in the player hand because we removed the transform from there. Okay, now you can notice the animations for handgun. Okay, now the player is moving forward. Okay, the player can now jump as well, and the player can sprint, as you can see. So with this added, now in the next video we will add the remaining animations.